play a game. Guess the Thanksgiving food. Look closely and see if you can tell what it is. Let's go. Did you guess it? It's pumpkin pie. That's right. It's turkey. Yum! That creamy food is mashed potatoes. Ooh, shiny and red. It's cranberry sauce. Get it? That one's corn. Soft and fluffy. It's dinner rolls. Nice work! That's a salad. Crunch, crunch. It's apple pie. Yum! Great job, friends! You used your looking eyes and guessed those Thanksgiving foods. You're amazing guessers! And I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving.